Hi friends, it's Andrea and I have selected a lucky winner who will be receiving this flat rate box of handmade bags. This is part of my 2023 Great Bag Giveaway. If you would like to be entered into this, comment on this video, yes, please, and I will put your name into the hat and draw a winner next Monday for another flat rate box full of my bags. Right now, I really want to show you the bags that Ashlee is going to be receiving, our lucky winner. This bag is gorgeous. It is quilted. It has a really nice long strap. I have a full tutorial for this bag if you'd like to make one. This bag is also really pretty. It just needs a good press, Ashlee, when you get that, and it'll be ready to go for you. I absolutely love this bag. It has some padded inserts in it in case Ashlee is a photographer. She can use this, and there's a step-by-step tutorial for this bag as well. And I personally selected this bag for Ashlee. I feel like she's really gonna like this. I have a step-by-step tutorial for this bag too, and it has some selvage on here that says trust your journey. This is really nice Japanese linen fabric, so I hope you love this bag, Ashlee. I am going to be headed to the post office today with your gifts. Thank you so much for entering the contest, and I look forward to choosing another lucky winner next Monday. Good luck, everyone.